So we're here at Philly Fiber Case at their new facility in Thoroughfare, New Jersey. They're originally located over in Philadelphia for many decades, and they're now moving over here to this new location that they're setting up, fitting out all the electrical, all the air piping, and all the infrastructure that they need to do what they do. So we have a crew of guys here that have been running and installing the pipe. So let's take a peek, see how they're making out, see how things are going. A lot of different ways you can terminate your air drops. A lot of customers will tie their air drops directly into the machine that they're powering with the air. A lot of times customers will run an air drop from the main header with a flexible line if it's a piece of equipment that they move from time to time. A lot of customers also have, just like Philly Fiber Case here, they have a lot of different handheld air tools like air nailers or rivet guns, sanders, grinders. So what they want to be able to do if they have those tools is connect that to a flexible air line, which then goes into a connection here like I have next to me with an air manifold. You have several different options here with this manifold. We have 4 ports that give them various amount of options here to tie into. You can see there is a small air regulator here for a regulated tool that they can tie into. You have another quick coupler that is full air pressure of the air system here that they can also tie in and utilize, and a couple plugs that are plugging off some ports that they can utilize and tie into at a later time. But there's several different ways that you can utilize and run air drops for production. All right, so we're back here at Philly Case, and as you can see, they got all their production equipment in. People are back to work, employees are working, building the cases, doing what they do. And if you look really close while you're watching football on Sunday afternoon, you're gonna see a lot of the custom cases that Philly Case makes. They also serve purpose for musicians, bands, sound companies doing custom configurations for soundboards. Actually, matter of fact, this here next to me is the cover for a big soundboard for a sound company. But take a peek, check out some of the ways that air is used here in the facility, and wishing Philly Case all the luck in the world with their new place.